Hi everyone. Cancer is one of the biggest problems the world is facing today. Scientists think that 1 in 3 people will get cancer at some point during their lifetime. Now, our knowledge of cancer has improved much over the last few decades, but there's still a lot we don't understand and ways in which we need to raise awareness for cancer. I'm here today at a UK Cancer Research Centre to find out more about the research done and talk to a cancer researcher. So we're here inside the centre where researchers are trying to find new novel ways of curing cancer. But after decades and decades of work, we still haven't been able to find a universal cure for cancer for all different types of people and all different types of cancer. But why is this the case? Well, we have to learn more about what cancer actually is to try and understand this. You see, cancer is a very different disease from viruses and bacteria, as it's caused by the mutations in the very DNA of the cells. What this does is it causes rapid expansion of the cells and they multiply uncontrollably. And these cause massive tumours, giant lumps of cells, and these can actually cause damage to the organs themselves. The mass can break apart into smaller pieces, which can cause damage around the body. So sometimes it's not the first tumour that actually causes the most damage, but it's one of the parts that sprung off from the main part itself. But how can we go about trying to prevent cancer and trying to cure it? Well, we're going to go now and ask a cancer researcher these very good questions. So Lily, you're a cancer researcher. What type of cancer do you work on?
So at the moment I'm working on breast cancer, but I've also been involved in research in colon cancer in the past.
How does the body try and fight off cancer?
Well, this is one of the main differences between cancer and a disease caused by a bacteria or a virus. See, with a bacteria or a virus, your body will recognise it as foreign and attack it, but because cancer is your own cells, the immune system won't recognise it as a problem.
So how do we treat cancer at the moment?
So at the moment, the main route of treating cancer is by surgery, with or without chemotherapy.
Is this an effective way of doing it?
So it is quite effective for some patients. So surgery is very effective because you're getting rid of the mass, getting rid of the problem. But then this can cause a problem if the cancer has spread to other organs, of course. And then chemotherapy can be effective for a lot of patients. However, it doesn't help everyone, and of course, as a lot of people will know, it causes very distressing side effects for the patients.
So how do you think cancer treatment will improve in the future?
Well, we now understand that cancer is not a single disease, it's a collection of lots of different diseases. And this is because the different cancers from the different organs are different, and this makes sense because obviously the cells are different because they're performing different functions. But it's not just cancers are different from the different tissues, it's also different from person to person. So this is especially a problem in breast cancer, where 2 patients can both have breast cancer, but they can be completely different tumours. And we now understand what this means is that therapy now needs to be a lot more personalised. So we can't treat everyone exactly the same. We need to find out what sort of cancer they have and treat them specifically for their cancer. Hopefully this means that we'll have a more targeted therapies, so therapies that have a lot less side effects, but also more effective, so a lot more patients can be cured.
If cancer isn't like a normal disease, then what causes it? Well, the cells mutate in your body due to either natural causes or due to an external source, such as cigarette smoke or UV light from the sun. So there are a lot of ways that you can't actually stop yourself from getting cancer, but there are a lot of ways that you can avoid it. But I told you at the beginning of the video that 1 in 3 people will get cancer in their lifetime. But thanks to the wonderful work that cancer researchers do around the world, 50% of these people will live at least 10 years or more, which is incredible work. And this is all due to the new novel ways in which we find to cure cancer and the new ways we spread the word about how to protect yourself from it. Charities like Cancer Research UK help to fund researchers who try and fight against cancer in the UK, and there are lots of other different charities in different countries. There are also charities help in other ways, such as aftercare and raising awareness for cancer. If you feel like donating, I'll put some links in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you found this really useful and interesting. Don't forget you can like, subscribe to my channel, leave me comments. I'll try and get back to any comments or any feedback. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.